Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in the series of talking about stock market updates, we will be talking about the global indices. Further, I will be talking about the DreamFolks IPO and I will be sharing the current grey market premium for the company. I will also be discussing the NIFTY50 next targets in this video, and I have some news coming up for the stocks like PI Industries. And I will be sharing a trick towards the end of this video where I will be telling you how you can find a multi-bagger stock or a good stock through the Screener website. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Now you will see that today the Dow Jones Industrial Average did a good recovery from the lower level of 32,850 and it went up to the level of 33,069. So I believe that it has or it will have a positive impact in the Indian market for tomorrow, and I believe that Indian market can see another up move like today from this particular level. Now talking about like why Dow Jones is currently moving ahead with this is because that there has been news related to the Fed rate hikes. Again, I believe that even if now Fed do or like they plan to increase the interest rate by 75 basis point, again that news is also factored in the market, and that's why from few days or like past few days the market was correcting. Now talking about the Nifty today, like what exactly happened in Nifty today was it took a support from the level of 17,500 approximately, where we had a support line, and you will see that the low it made is of 17,499 rupees and it went up till the level of 17,623 rupees. Well, this is a good chart pattern. If you will see that Nifty is once again back in the recovery mode, and I believe that the next target or like tomorrow, if the Nifty breaks the level of 17,630 rupees, it can go till the level of 17,700 will be the immediate target for the Nifty. On the other hand, if Nifty breaks the downward level, I believe again 17,500 is working as a good support for the Nifty, and if it breaks the level of 17,500, the immediate support will be of 17,400 for the Nifty in coming days. If you will see the FIIs and DIIs data today, you will see there has been a net 23 crore buying from the FIIs and there has been selling of 322 crores from the DIIs. Well, the market is not moving or not showing a massive up move or down move is because of these datas only. I believe that there has not been a huge buying or selling happening in the market. That's why our Indian markets are trading into a more stable territory. Next thing is about the DreamFolks IPO, and I would like to discuss about this particular IPO. This is the company which is into the airport experience, where you have like all kind of lounges, food spas and beverages spas, and these are the ones like who maintain, and these are the ones who are the aggregators and holds a 95% market in this particular segment. It's a nice company, and they are like one of the first company to be into this particular space. And if you will see the company financials, you will see that in March 2020 the company was making a good profit of 31 crore rupees, but eventually due to pandemic and all sort of things it made a loss of 1.45 crore rupees, and in March 2022 the company gave a profit of 16 crore rupees. I believe that this company can do well in coming future if they were able to maintain their profit after tax like in this similar fashion, or even if they are able to grow their profit like 15% every year, then it will be a great boost for the company. Further, I have seen their financials, though their cash flow is in negative right now, and this is a major negative point for me. If you will ask me whether I would be investing in this particular IPO, well, if you want to plan like a short-term gain, then you can, because currently the GMP for this company is around about 55 to 60 rupees, which is roughly the 18 to 20% of its listing price. Yes, the company is going to be listed at the price of 308 to 326, and yeah, it is giving a premium of roughly around 60 rupees. Now, for a one particular lot of IPO, you must have roughly around 15,000 rupees if you want to apply in this particular IPO. The issue size is of 17 to 42 360 which is roughly around 562 crore. Again, it's not a big IPO, and the chances of allotment will be very thin in this particular segment. Talking about today's how the IPO did was, you can see that there has been a huge buying coming in the retail segment. Almost 8 times the company has been subscribed. In NIS 1.3 time and QIB 0.25. Well, if you are someone who is looking for short-term gains, then definitely you can apply for this IPO, and the moment or the day it get listed on the stock market, you can exit your half quantity on a listing price, and then you can hold it for like future returns if you believe in this company. Next thing about the stock market was that yesterday we discussed about the Adani Group acquiring NDTV, and you can see that again today NDTV was closed in the upper circuit of 5%, and it break the 14-year high for the stock. And well, this is a massive effect of Adani. Wherever or whichever industry they get into, the stock or whichever stock they buy, it tends to move upwards. But again, it's a risky bet. If you're planning to invest in NDTV, I will suggest you to wait and watch for time being and see how the stock trades, and then only invest in such type of companies. I personally hold no investment in NDTV, and nor I am planning to buy this stock. Now, next thing about the PI industry. Yes, there has been a growth guidance may help PI industry maintain outperformance. Well, this is one of the multi-bagger stock from the chemical industry, and this company is doing so well in past few years, and it has made so much massive wealth for investors that I cannot explain, but I'll show you through the charts like how it has performed. And despite the heavy pressure of crude oil, despite the inflation fears and everything, despite that, the company was able to give good Q1 results, and due to which the current trading price for this particular company is near all-time high. Looking at the chart of PI Industries, you will realize that the company is trading at a level of 3,384 rupees, and the 52-week high of this company is 3,533 rupees, which is roughly a higher like 150 points from here. And if you will see, this company is making a brilliant chart pattern. Let's see. So the red line you can see here is a 20 days moving average, and the company is respecting the 20 days moving average and is trying to go up and up from this particular level. If you will see that if I'll draw a trend line here, you will figure out that the company next support is 3,300 rupees roughly here, and it is currently trading near that price only. If you're planning to invest in this market in this particular stock for short term, definitely you can look at this stock, as the company is forming a flag and pole pattern. So this is the pole and this is the flag, and I believe if the company do give a breakout the level of 3,500, then it can go to the level of 4,000 in coming days. So definitely you can keep a eye on this particular stock and think about investing in PI Industries. Nevertheless, it's a great stock, and it has created massive wealth for its investors. Now, talking about like how you can find a multi-bagger stock. Yes, talking about a multi-bagger stock, I must tell you that you should look for the companies which have the profit growth of roughly 15 to 20% every year. You should look at their sales and revenues, and all these kind of things you can get on the website called Screener. And yes, I'll show you. So like if we take a stock like Polycab, I'll say we have Polycab India. If you will see, this is a particular company with a market cap, all sort of details you will get. And do look at the debt and debt to equity ratio. You will get to know that how leveraged the company is. It will give you a good idea that how much you can invest, or like how much this company can sustain in the market if they go bankrupt, or will they be able to help the company out or keep the investors' money going on like this. Now, if you will see that one thing, that their sales, they have been growing their sales like anything since June 2019, 1951 to the level of roughly around 4,000, doubled in 3 years. So these kind of things, and then you can look at the operating profit, how their operating profit are doing. Then you can look at their profit, net profit also, that how their profits are increasing in the future. These are little bit things which can give you a good idea about like how strong their fundamentals are and the balance sheet are. The another thing which I should tell you that to find a multi-bagger, you should look into the FIIs, DIs, and the promoters data. Holding pattern is must, and if you will see that you should focus on that FIIs are buying this stock or selling this stock. Yes, if there is a huge moment coming in the FII data fluctuation in one quarter, then it is likely to go ahead or like move upwards in the coming future. And the third thing which you should keep in mind is that you should never invest in a company at the 52 weeks high. Let it fall like roughly 10 to 15%, then do your first investment, and subsequently if it falls further, then do your next investment, and divide your money into 3 segments, like 3 particular investments where you can plan to average or get a good average price for one good company. So this is how like even I look at the stocks. And if you are interested in looking like industry leaders, you can go with them. If you're planning to look for like small cap stocks, then you can reduce the market capitalization of our companies and can check in this particular website which are the companies which are doing well in last few years according to the market cap as well. I hope I was able to give you some information related to the stock market updates, as well as like how you can find up good stocks or multi-bagger stocks in terms of good financial health. And I hope to make a video on the IPO, the DreamFolks IPO. I hope, most probably I will be doing it tomorrow, like whether I will be investing or I will not be investing in this particular IPO after seeing the data of how it is doing or how much it is subscribed, as this IPO is open till Friday. So if you are interested, again, you can definitely invest in the IPO for the short-term gains or the immediate gains. I hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thank you.